Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll tell you about a side hustle that can earn you an extra $2,400 per month while just taking up 2 hours per day and can be done on your phone. Stay until the end of the video, and I will tell you a solid plan that will generate even more money than that. Making YouTube thumbnails with zero design experience. In the first half of the video, we will talk about how to find clients as a beginner. And in the second part, we will talk about how to make and design the thumbnails as a beginner. As a beginner YouTube thumbnail maker, you may have to put in extra effort to find clients and sell your services. Here are a few tips for finding clients online and selling your thumbnail design services. Show off your best work by creating a portfolio of your thumbnail designs. This will help potential clients see the quality of your work and make it easier for them to hire you. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and offer your services to clients looking for thumbnail design work. This can be a good way to find clients, especially if you are just starting out. Find YouTube channels that you know the thumbnails can be better and attract more viewers. You can use social media, email, or direct messaging to contact them and send them the message I included in the description for you to copy and edit. Just make sure to replace the names with the creators in your own. Use social media platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn to promote your thumbnail design services and find potential clients. You can also reach out to YouTube creators directly and offer them your services. Ask your current clients for referrals to other YouTube creators who may be interested in your services. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be a powerful way to find new clients. There are several AI tools that can help you create YouTube thumbnails. Here is an overview of some of the best AIs for creating YouTube thumbnails and how they can be used. Number 1. Adobe Express. It's available as a website or app and offers a range of customization options, including the ability to change the font, color, size, and alignment of your text, and to resize, rotate, and reposition your images and graphics. To use Adobe Express, go to the Adobe Express website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can make one for free by giving your email address and a password. Once you created your account and logged in, click on the plus sign on the left, then click on View All. On the left side of the screen, click on YouTube Thumbnails. You can choose the category you want based on the channel you are making the thumbnail for. Pick the thumbnail and make any changes you want to it. When you're happy with your thumbnail, click the Download button in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the file format you want to use, like JPEG or PNG, and finally click Download to download your thumbnail. Number 2. Snappa. This AI-powered graphic design tool allows you to create YouTube thumbnails and other visual content quickly and easily. To use Snappa, go to the Snappa website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started for free and fill out the form to make a new account. Once you have set up your account, go to the website and click on Create a Graphic in the top left corner. Under Social Media Posts, choose YouTube Thumbnail. Then, choose an interesting template for the thumbnail, which you can change as much as you want and is easy enough for anyone to do. When you're done editing, click Download in the upper right corner of the screen, choose the format you want, and you're done. Number 3. Canva. Canva is a user-friendly and powerful tool that makes it easy for anyone to create professional quality thumbnails in just a few minutes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, Canva has something to offer. Creating a thumbnail with Canva is a simple and easy process that can be completed in just a few steps. Go to the Canva website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can make one by clicking Sign Up and entering your information. Once you've made your account, go to the Search tab and type in YouTube Thumbnail. Then, choose YouTube Thumbnail. Before you choose a thumbnail, you should know that some of them are not free. To find only the free ones, click the Free tab on the left side of the page. Pick the thumbnail you want and click on Customize this template. Once you're done editing the thumbnail, click Share in the upper right corner. Then, like on other sites, choose the format you want, then click Download, and it's done. There are many websites where you can create thumbnails. I use Canva because it has professional thumbnail designs that I like, but your situation might be different, so you can choose whichever one you want. However, if you want to work as a thumbnail designer, you should use all of them because you will have more templates to use and satisfy your clients. Creating YouTube thumbnails for other YouTubers can be a great side hustle that can make you an extra $2,400 per month if you can find 4 clients that are willing to pay you $20 per thumbnail. The reason for this is that YouTube thumbnails are an essential part of a video's success on the platform, and many YouTubers are willing to pay for high-quality, eye-catching thumbnails that will help their videos stand out and attract more views. By finding 4 clients who are willing to pay you $20 per thumbnail, you can earn a total of $80 per day, which works out to $2,400 per month. This is a good rate for this type of work, and if you can find more clients or charge higher rates, you can potentially earn even more. Additionally, creating YouTube thumbnails can be a flexible and enjoyable side hustle that allows you to use your creative skills, work on your own schedule, and from the comfort of your own home, even if you are just starting out. At the end, to improve your skills, you have to practice your design skills. The more you practice, the better you will become at creating eye-catching and effective thumbnails. Try experimenting with different design techniques and styles to find out what works best for you. Learn from other designers. Look at the work of other successful thumbnail designers and see what techniques they use to create their designs. You can also try taking online courses or watching tutorials to learn more about design principles and techniques. And finally, to the part that you have been waiting to hear, which how can you generate even more money with this side hustle? I have a good plan for you if you want to make even more money by making thumbnails. When you have enough money, you can hire a team of designers to make the thumbnails while you focus on finding clients. Lastly, you'll build your credibility, which will help you get more clients and show them your past successes. You should believe in yourself because you have what it takes to succeed. All it takes is time and effort. If you want to build a successful business, no matter what age you are, you should give this some serious thought. And if you think you can't make money this way or it's too hard for you, subscribe to my channel to see other, easier ways to make money online. I hope you have learned a new thing today, and thanks for watching.